Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now we'll go to the problem. Second problem is determine star is binary, commutative or associative. Here sub-problem third one on Q means set apart rational numbers. Here define binary operation defined A star B equal to AB by 2. Here we have to verify star is binary, commutative or associative. Very important, this problem asked many times. Prove that star is associative. Very important. For 2 marks proving only star is associative. At first I am verifying whether star is binary or not. Mind it here. Let AB belongs to a rational number. A is a rational number, B is a rational number, A and B rational number. The product of two rational number again a rational number clearly. Then AB divided by 2 means denominator is non-zero means clearly AB by 2 is a rational number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Then A star B equal to AB by 2 belongs to Q. Right, definition of binary operation. Here star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element A star B equal to AB by 2 belongs to Q. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Second problem. So clearly here we have AB equal to BA. Clearly it is commutative. Mind it, this is the only problem. In the second and first problems, both commutative and associative. Very important one here. Therefore I am taking elements. Let's take A, B belongs to here Q. Commutative property. A star B equal to B star means here star is commutative. Got it. Here binary operation defined. A star B is equal to A into B divided by 2. Very important. Binary operation defined. The product of A and B, that is AB divided by 2. Here A star B, AB divided by 2. Then B star A, B into A, BA divided by 2. So we know that. So clearly BA equal to AB. It is always true. AB by 2. AB by 2 both are equal. Therefore here say that A star B equal to B star A for all A B belongs to Q. So therefore star is commutative. I am going to prove it is associative means let take three elements in Q. A, B, C belongs to a Q. LHS A star B of star C. RHS A star of B star C. Therefore binary operation defined, mind it here. A star B equal to A into B divided by 2. Here first within bracket I am defining A star B AB by 2. This is star C as it is. Let us take AB by 2 equal to X star C, where X equal to AB by 2. Now define binary operation star A star B AB by 2. X star C XC divided by 2. XC divided by 2. Now substitute here C value, X value, so AB by 2. Here C by 2 as it is I am taking here. X value AB by 2. AB into C, ABC divided by 2 into 4. Call it as equation 1. Now RHS take A star of B star C. A star I am taking as it is. First within bracket defined here binary operation. Binary operation means here A star B AB by 2, B star C BC divided by 2. Let us take BC by 2 equal to Y, where Y equal to BC by 2. Now define binary operation A star B AB by 2. Here A star Y ay divided by 2. A by 2 into substituting y value, this is y value bc by 2. Directly write 2 in denominator. Then a into bc, abc divided by 2 into 2, 4. Called as equation 2. From 1 and 2, what about abc by 4, abc by 4? Both are equal. Therefore, clearly LHS equal to RHS. From equations 1 and 2, A star B of star C is equal to A star of B star C for all A, B, C belongs to Q. Therefore, star is associate. Got it? Here we have minded A star B equal to AB by 2. Clearly, it is a rational number when A and B are rational number. Therefore, write definition. Star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element A star B equal to AB by 2 in Q. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Clearly, A star B equal to AB by 2. B star A BA by 2. Here BA equal to AB by 2. Therefore, both are equal. A star B equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. This case very important. Let us take 3 elements in Q. A, B, C belongs to Q. A star B of star C. First within bracket define, a binary operation defined. A star B equal to A into B. A into B divided by 2. Here A star B, A into B divided by 2. Star C as it is. Let us take AB by 2 equal to X. Where X equal to AB by 2. X star C. Now define a binary operation. A star B, A into B by 2. Here X star C, X into C divided by 2. X into C divided by 2. Here C by 2 take as it is. Substituting X value directly. AB by 2. Then ABC divided by 2 into 2 for called as equation 1. RHS A star of B star C. First A star take as it is. Within bracket define this. B star C. B into C divided by 2. B into C divided by 2. Let us take BC by 2 equal to Y. Where Y equal to BC by 2. Now define binary operation. A star B. AB. A into Y divided by 2. Here A by 2 into your Y value BC by 2 this is. Write 2 directly in denominator. ABC divided by 2 into 4 called as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2 both are equal. Then clearly what about A star B of star C equal to A star of B star C. Therefore star is associative. So now go to next. Second problem, fourth one. On Z plus define A star B equal to 2 power AB. Mind it. Here Z plus means set up all positive integers. Here A and B are positive integers. This means A star B equal to binary operation is defined 2 power A into B. 2 power A into B. Means is it a binary operation means here A and B are positive integers. What about A into B, the product of A and B? Clearly AB belongs to Z plus. Here 2 is a positive integer. 2 power AB. 2 power positive integer means again it is a positive integer. Suppose 2 power 4. Positive integer. Got it. Then we say that clearly star is a binary operation. And AB belongs to Z plus. Therefore, A star B equal to 2 power AB. Clearly it is a positive integer. That is the right definition of binary operation. Star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element. A star B equal to 2 power AB in Z plus, or you can write belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. Next, second one, verify whether it is commutative or not. Clearly, AB equal to BA you can write. Clearly, therefore it is commutative. Let us take two elements. Let us take A, B belongs to Z plus. A star B, LHS, RHS, B star A. Here A star B binary operation defined. A star B equal to 2 power product of A and B, A into B. 2 power AB. Here A star B, 2 power A into B, AB. Then what about B star A, 2 power B into A, BA. So clearly we know that BA equal to AB. It is always to AB equal to BA. 2 power AB. These two are equal. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to Z. Therefore, what about means star is commutative. Is it associative means? Well, it is not associative. We get like this. 2 power AB means A star B means star C. 2 power AB star C. 2 power AB whole power C. Next to A star of B star C means here A as it is. B star C 2 power B C we get. Then according to definition 2 power here A into B. A into 2 power B C. Here 2 power you get. Means clearly both are unequal. Both are unequal means by taking particular numbers we can prove that it is not associative. So therefore I am taking here for 1, 2, 3 take 3 positive integers, any 3 different positive integers. So LHS 1 star 2 star 3 clearly which is of the form A star B of star C. So RHS A star 1 star of 2 star 3 A star of B star C. So binary operation defined A star B equal to 2 power product of A and B. Be careful. Within bracket I am defining here A star B 2 power A into B 1 into 2 star 3 as it is. 2 square 4 star 3. Got it. A star B 2 power A into B 4 into 3. Got it. A star B 2 power A into B 4 into 3. 2 power 4 into 3 12 called as equation 1. RHS 1 star of 2 star 3. 1 star as it is. First within bracket defined here binary operation star A star B 2 power A into B 2 into 3. 2 power A into B 2 into 3. 1 star 2 power 2 into 3 6. 1 star 2 power 6 2 power 5 32 2 power 6 64. A star B now I am defining binary operation star 2 power A into B. A equal to 1 B value 64. Then 2 power 1 into 64 called as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2. What about bases same? 2 same. And what about powers? This is 12. Here it is 64. Means 12 is not equal to 64. Means both are unequal. Therefore from equations 1 and 2 here LHS 1 star 2 of star 3 which is not equal to RHS 1 star of 2 star 3. Where 1, 2, 3 belongs to Z place. Therefore, star is not associative. Got it. So clearly it is a binary operation. Clearly it is commutative. A star equal to 2 power AB. Then B star equal to 2 power BA. That is equal to 2 power AB. Clearly it is commutative. Mind it. Clearly it is not associative. Take particular numbers. Any 3 numbers. For easy one, better you can take 1, 2, 3. Here LHS 1 star 2 of star 3, RHS 1 star of 2 star 3. Here binary operation defined, be careful. A star B equal to 2 power A into B, AB. Here 1 star 2, 2 power 1 into 2, 1 into 2, star 3. Here 2 power here 2 square 4 star 3. Again here A star B 2 power A into B 4 into 3. This is 12, 2 power 12. Next, 1 star of 2 star 3, 1 star as it is first, within bracket defined, 2 power here, A into B, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 power 6, 64. Here A star B, 2 power AB, 1 into 64. 2 power 64 called as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore star is not associated. So next, fifth sub problem. On Z plus define A star B equal to A power B. So here, both here A and B are positive integers. A binary operation defined A star B equal to A power B. First verify star is binary or not. Here A is a positive integer, means it belongs to Z plus, means clearly A power B, when B is a positive integer, clearly A and B are positive integers, then what about A power B? Clearly positive integer. Suppose A equal to 3, B equal to 4. Clearly it is a positive integer. 3 power 4, 81. Clearly it is a positive integer. Therefore, obviously it is true. Therefore, a star is a binary operation. Let AB belongs to Z plus. Then A star B equal to A power B. Clearly it is a positive integer. Now write definition. Star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element. A star B equal to A power B belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. Next, is it commutative? A power B equal to B power A. When A and B are different, clearly unequal. Both are unequal, means clearly it is not commutative. By taking numbers, we can prove that it is not commutative. For each one I am taking. Now, 1, 2 belongs to Z plus. LHS A star B. A star B 1 star 2. RHS B star A. B star means 2 star 1. Binary operation is defined by it. A star B equal to your first element A power, second element B. A power B. Here binary operation defined. Mind it. A star B, A power B. Here 1 star 2 means 1 power, here second element 2. 1 power 2. 1 square, that is 1. Next, here A star B, A power, here A equal to 2 power, here B, second element 1. 2 power 1, 2. 1 is not equal to, therefore 1 star 2 which is not equal to 2 star 1, where 1, 2 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is not commutative. So next, it is not commutative, means it will not be associative. Now I am taking, don't take 1, because here if you take 1 means it will be associative. Mind it, here this binary operation satisfies for all the positive integer, means then we can say that it is associative. In one case, if it is not satisfies, means it is not associative. Here I am taking here, other than 1 you take here. For I am taking 2, 3, 4 belongs to Z plus. Here A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 4. A star B of star C. Here 2 star 3 of star 4. Got it. Next, RHS 2 star of 3 star 4. Mind it. 2 star of 3 star 4. Here binary operation defined A star B equal to here first element A power, second element B. A power B. A power B like that. Within bracket I am defining here. Here A star B 2 star 3. 2 power second element 3. 2 cube. Here star 4. Again I am taking as it is. This is A, this is B. A star B. A power here A equal to 2 cube. Power B, B equal to 4. Then what about here? 2 power 3 into 4, 12. Call it as equation 1. RHS here. First within bracket I am defining 2 star of within bracket here. 3 star 4 here. A star B. A power B. 3 power 4. Got it. Here 2 star of 3 power 4. What about 3 power 4 equal 81? Now A star B, now define binary operation. A star B, A power B, 2 power first element power second element, 81, call it as equation 2. From 1 here 2 power 12, from 2 power 81. Quadrilateral, they are unequal. Mind it. Here take 3 elements other than 1 you can take. 2 star 3 of star 4. Here binary operation defined A power B here. A star B equal to A power here, A power B. Here 2 star 3 A star B, A power B, 2 power 3, 2 cube star 4. Here again consider it as A star B. Here A power here, A equal to 2 cube, power B means B equal to 4 directly. 2 cube power 4. 2 power 3 into 4, 12, called as equation 1. Now here 2 star of 3 star 4, 2 star of here 3 star 4 means here A power B here. I am different binary operation. A equal to 3, B equal to 4 here. 3 power here 4. 3 power 4 equal to 81. Again A star B here A power B 2 power 81. From 1 and 2 what about? If this is 12, this is 81, unequal. From 1 and 2 here LHS 2 star 3 of star 4 which is not equal to 2 star of 3 star 4. Where 2, 3, 4 belongs to Z plus, therefore star is not associative. Sorry, it is not associative. So next problem, sub problem, sixth one, on R minus set minus 1, define A star B equal to A by B plus 1. Correct. So mind it here. Here binary operation star defined on the set of all real numbers except minus 1. You take A and B are any two real numbers other than minus 1, then what about, is it a binary or not? See, we can observe here, suppose if you take here A equal to 1, here B equal to minus 2, what happens here? Let here I am taking A equal to 1, B equal to here minus 2. Here 1 is not minus 1, other than minus 1 here, means this means other than minus 1 you can take any real number. This is 1, not minus 1. This is minus 2. Got it? Here we have binary operation defined. A star B equal to A by B plus 1. Now we take here A equal to 1 star B equal to minus 2. A by B plus 1. Here A equal to 1 divided by B equal to minus 2 plus 1. 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 1 by minus 1 minus 1. This means, mind it, already told you many times. You take any two elements in the set which gives unique element, means that is A star B in the same set, means then we say that star is a binary operation. Got it? Here I am taking here 1 and minus 2 elements in the given set. But what about here A star B? 1 star minus 2 we get minus 1. Minus 1 is not belongs to, because minus 1 here not belongs to, here this set means all the real numbers except minus 1. Here minus 1, this means doesn't belongs to R minus set minus 1. Mind it. It doesn't contain minus 1. It contains all real numbers other than minus 1. Therefore, we can say that directly. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. On R minus set minus 1. Got it. It is not a binary operation, mind it. No need to verify it is commutative or associative. When we define means star is commutative associative, means first star is a binary operation on set A. Star is a binary operation on set A. If A star B equal to B star A, then star is commutative. Or A star B of star C equal to A star of B star C, then star is associative. Star is a binary operation. Yes, star is not a binary operation, means no need to verify. Don't verify. commutative associative analysis. So now go to CT. CT problems. Continuation of last class 55th. Let f of x equal to x square and g of x equal to root x. Then A option GOF of minus 2 equal to 2. B option F4J of 2 equal to 4. C option GOF of 2 equal to 4. D option F4J of 3 equal to 6. So mandate here we have f of x equal to x square and g of x equal to root x. Here we have to verify. I am verifying here by using options. I am going to find which is the right option here. First option here I am thinking here. First option is GOF of your domain element here minus 2. Here if you get RHS 2 means first option is the right option. If you not get 2 means then you have to go for other option. So if you know that it is defined as GOF of minus 2 means defined as G of f of minus 2. G of within bracket is defined. Here we have f of x equal to x square. Got it. Replace x by minus 2. F of minus 2. F of minus 2 what about here? Equal to x square. X equal to minus 2. Minus 2 also. F of minus 2 whole square. G of minus 2 whole square 4. Now define G. Here x equal to substitute 4. Here x equal to 4 means G of 4 equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 2. GOF of minus 2 equal to 2. GOF of minus 2 equal to 2. We get 2 means A option is the right option. Money. GOF of minus 2 defined as G of f of minus 2. F of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole square here. F of x x square. F of x x square. Minus 2 whole square 4. Then G of x square root of x. Root of 4 is 2. So A option is the option. Fifty-sixth problem. If f from half closed open interval 1 comma infinity to half closed open interval 2 comma infinity is given by f of x equal to x plus 1 by x, then f inverse x equals A option x plus root of x square minus 4 divided by 2. B option x divided by 1 plus x square. C option x minus root of x square minus 4 divided by 2. D option 1 plus root of x square. So here we have f of x, here f defined here, half closed open interval 1 comma infinity to half closed open interval 2 comma infinity given by f of x equal to x plus 1 by x. Here we have to find f inverse x. So let's take like this, f inverse of y equal to x. Called as equation 1. Here we have to find x value, that's it. Then we get y equal to f of x. A current definition, y equal to shifting f inverse right side, we get f of x. Here we have f of x value, substitute x plus 1 by x. Y equal to, here I am taking LCM, x into x square plus 1. Cross multiplication x into y xy equal to x square plus 1. X square plus 1, I am taking it as a right side, minus xy equal to 0. Got it here. X square minus yx plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly, we can treat it as y as constant here. Clearly, which is quadratic in x. Here we have to find x value. Therefore, by using quadratic formula, I am going to find here x value. directly very difficult to find. Here x square coefficient here a equal to 1, x coefficient b equal to minus y, constant c equal to 1. Formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substituting ABC values, b equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus y whole square minus 4 into a equal to 1, c equal to 1 divided by 2 into a. Minus into minus plus y plus or minus root of here minus square plus y square minus 4 divided by 2. This is x. Substitute x value in equation 1. From 1, f inverse of y equal to x value, this is y plus or minus root of y square minus 4 divided by 2. But here f inverse of x means replacing here y by x on both sides. Then f inverse of x equal to here x plus or minus root of x square minus 4 divided by 2. But here first option x plus here root of x square minus 4 by 2. Here x by 1 plus x square. Third option here we have x minus. Then which is the right option? Either A option or C option. Be careful. Here by taking some values we can verify. Here f defined from here. This inequality here means then f inverse defined. F inverse from here codomain or domain 2 comma infinity to 1 comma infinity. Got it here. Here substituting some values here, domain values here. Here x equal to 2 first time substitute. Here x equal to 2. F inverse of 2, this is equal to x equal to 2 plus or minus. Here x equal to 2 square means 4 minus 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 4 0. 2 by 2 1. Well here 1 belongs to here codomain. Correct. Suppose here x equal to 3, if you take f inverse of 3, 3 plus or minus root of 3 square minus 4 divided by 2. 3 plus or minus here 9 minus 4, 5, root 5 divided by 2. Root 5 approximate value 2 point something here. 2.2 like this, approximate. 3 plus or minus 2.2 divided by 2. Here positive 3 plus 2.2 divided by 2 or 3 minus 2.2 divided by 2. 3 plus 2.2, 5.2 divided by 2. We get here 2 2s of 4, 2 5s. Here 3 minus means you get 0.8 divided by 2. 0.8 means 0.4. Approximately I am taking here. 2.5 is clearly it belongs to here codomain, but 0.4 it not belongs to. Not belongs to means here negative here. Negative 1, 3 minus. Clearly not satisfies. Therefore, which is the right option means only plus here. F inverse of x equal to x plus root of x square minus 4 by 2. Clearly, A option is the right option. C option is not right option. Every value not satisfies. Therefore, A option is the right option. Thank you.